Welcome back. The tussle between the transporters and the government over mandatory fixing of speed governors seems to be heading like the Karnataka way. Public transport owners have decided to keep their vehicles off the road from Monday to demand scrapping of the notification on speed governors.
The strike call has been supported by various transport bodies like the Goa Bus Owners Association, All Goa Truck Association, Vasco Truck and Tripper Association, the All Goa Tankers Association, All Goa Tempo Pickup Association, All Goa Tourist Bus Association and Shrigaon Asnora Sirshe Truck Owner Association. It may be recalled that the government passed a notification making speed governors compulsory for new vehicles and ordering that all vehicles should be fitted with speed governors within a certain time. Due to opposition of the transport vehicles owners, the said notification was kept in abeyance and this resulted in a PIL being filed in High Court. The High Court passed an order directing the RTO not to register new vehicles not fitted with speed governors. Karnataka government is facing similar problem as public transport vehicles have already resorted to indefinite strike after a judgment by its High Court making speed governors compulsory. The owners have challenged the judgment in the Supreme Court.
Bailanso Sad, Panchayat Mahila Shakti Abhiyan and All India Women's Conference has organized a program to observe International Women's Day at Azad Maidan tomorrow.
Briefing media persons, member of Bailanso Sad Sabina Martins disclosed the theme of the function and their demands.
Focus of this year's International Women's Day is, the theme is demanding in one voice development policies, devolution of powers and decisions of our choice. Now the meeting will specifically demand stopping of promotion of alcohol and casino gambling and that women must have a say in all development plans including the Regional Plan 2021.
She said that apart from the demands, they would discuss other issues like violence against women, vulnerability of women to HIV, AIDS, etc.
Figure are all forms of violence against women, including child exploitation, human rights violations, land alienation and acquisition, reservation for women in assembly and parliament. The vulnerability of women to HIV, AIDS, then other issues like untouchability, communal violence and other anti-social activities are also other issues that confront women that will be taken up.
She also demands 33% reservation for women in local bodies as per the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment.
According to the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendments of the Constitution, 33% reservation is given to women in local bodies. But still the rightful space in decision making processes and governance is not given to them. The Mahila Shakti Abhiyan has been, Panchayat Mahila Shakti Abhiyan has been constituted under the Ministry of Panchayati Raj and they are also demanding that certain powers be devolved to the Panchayat and they are also going to demand various schemes so that the women at the grassroots level can benefit.
She said that they would submit a memorandum to Chief Minister Digambar Kamath with their demands including a signature campaign against casinos.
We will be presenting our charter of demands. A signature campaign has been started on Aam Aurat Aadmi against gambling. So these signatures will be handed over to the Chief Minister. The memorandum and the signatures. Yeah, we are seeking an appointment with the Chief Minister so that we can raise these demands with them.
Time for a commercial break. You're with Goa 365.